Hello everyone, and welcome to lesson 10 of Persian grammar in Persian campus. In the previous video, we learned how to make sentences in present tense. Today, we are going to learn the present continuous. We use present continuous for actions that are happening right now at this time. For hundreds of years, the construction of present tense that I introduced to you in the lesson 9 was used to indicate continuous. Around 100 years ago, a construction entered into Persian which changed the grammar a little bit. Me plus verb plus endings, which originally marked the present continuous, is now used to refer to simple present tense. But why this happened? Because a new form started showing present continuous, and the language didn't need two forms for one role. Literally, people first resist calling this new form as present continuous, حال استمراری in Persian, and they call it as حال مستمر or مستمر, which has the same meaning as present progressive or continuous. Little by little, they accepted the language has changed. Now, حال استمراری refers to this form and to mark continuity in an action. The general structure of this tense is like this. The conjugated form of the verb داشتن, to have, plus the conjugated form of the main verb in the present tense. It means we have to conjugate the verb داشتن as a normal verb in present tense for person and numbers and then add it before the main verb. Do you remember how we conjugate داشتن in present tense? It doesn't take the prefix می, which is used before the verbs in present tense. That is دارم, the verbal root دار, plus the first person singular ending am. For the others, that would be داری, دارد, formal, داره, informal, داریم, دارید, دارند, or دارن. So, to say I am going, we use دارم plus میرم, which the formal form is دارم میروم. See lesson 9 for present tense. Let's see some main verbs and try to change them to the present continuous. The present root is rav, formal, and re, informal. گفتن means to say. The present root is go, formal, and g, informal. خواندن means to read. The present root is خان, formal, and خون, informal. دیدن means to see. The present root is been, formal, and informal. خوردن means to eat. The present root is خور, formal and informal. پرت کردن means to throw. The present root is پرت کن. Now let's make the present continuous. من دارم میروم or دارم میرم. تو داری میگویی, formal, or داری میگی, informal. You are saying. او دارد میخواند, formal, or داره میخونه, informal. She or he is reading. ما داریم میبینیم or داریم میبینیم. We are seeing. شما دارید میخورید or دارید میخورید. You are eating. آنها دارند پرت میکنند or دارند پرت میکنند. They are throwing. That was about the affirmative form. To change these sentences to their negative form, as you have learned in lesson 6, we add na and its allomorphs before the main verb. But the point is that we have to delete the auxiliary verb داشتن. It's because the construction is so new in the language that the negative form is not fully made yet. So the above sentences change to من نمی روم or نمی رم. I'm not going. تو نمی گویی or تو نمی گی. You're not saying. او نمی خواند or نمی خونه. She or he isn't reading. من نمی بینم or نمی بینم. شما نمی خورید or نمی خورید. You aren't eating. آنها پرت نمی کنند or پرت نمی کنند. They aren't throwing. As you see, the negative of this construction is the same as the negative in present tense. Now let's read a text in Persian and find the present continuous. بیا بشین ببینم داری چی میگی؟ چرا بهش نگفتی داری میای پیش من؟ گفتم داریم میریم خرید. شاید سر راه خونه بهار هم رفتم. پس چرا من زنگ زدم گفت بچه ها تو حیاتن. دارن کباب درست میکنن. اون مال ظهر بود. حالا داری چی کار میکنی؟ دارم شام میپزم. من شام نمیمونم. بیا بشینیم حرف بزنیم. دارم میمیرم. دلم خیلی گرفته. Okay, that was the end of lesson 10. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit the website www.persiancampus.com for more videos, podcasts, expressions, and songs. Bye!